Welcome back to Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy, and in this video, we're gonna go over IGEN stock because it's about to break out, and I'm letting y'all know right now. And so you can pinpoint this, you can save this, you can do whatever. If you aren't in IGEN, you're going to be missing out. If you are in IGEN, congratulations to you, because now's the time to finally reap the benefits, and we're gonna go over all of that right here. So that first stock is IGEN Networks, ticker symbol IGEN. Up today, 9.72%, and this one has the most beautiful technical setup for a breakout that I have seen for any stock in the last couple months. This is going to be a very stellar setup, and I'm going to walk you guys through why this is such a beautiful setup. So the first thing we're looking at right now is these two levels of resistance. Now we are above our 50-day SMA, and that is huge. We have not been above our 50 SMA since March of 2021, so it has been months since we have seen price action above our 50. And now that our price action is above our 50, we are likely to curl up here. This means that our 50 SMA will start to curl up, and this could be the beginning of a longer term run. So firstly, this level of resistance right here on the stock goes all the way back to 2017. It was once a former level of support, now it's a level of resistance. We broke past that a couple of days. We got our back test yesterday, and then today is when we got the nice breakout. So every time you're breaking out of a pattern, you want to see nice volume. So let's check if we got nice volume. You could just see by the candles today, we had extraordinary volume the last 3 days, and these 2 days you could see how green the volume was. So we have a breakout pattern in place. We have the price action now outside of this pattern on good volume. So everything right now looks absolutely spectacular on a breakout level, but we're not even close to the good stuff. So the next thing that gets me extremely excited is our accumulation. So our stock price has been going down and down and down for months. However, our accumulation has been going up and up and up. So this right here could be a major move to the upside, and it could happen very quick because of how long this accumulation has been going on. This is not like this accumulation just started overnight. Ever since we topped out here, people have actually just been buying and buying and buying. There hasn't been too much selling. If people were selling, they were ending up buying their shares back eventually later on, and so those were mainly day traders who would sell but then buy back eventually. And so our accumulation lets us know that people are buying the stock, nobody's selling the stock, and so that right there adds to now the bullish outlook of IGEN. But we are still not done on how juicy this setup is. The second thing I want to mention here is our MACD. Our MACD, if tomorrow we get a green day, will officially break back into the positive zone, and that would mean that we are ready for an uptrend. So usually when this blue line is under this zero line, we still aren't officially in an uptrend. This is usually the time investors are looking for to either see if this is going to be a real breakout or it's going to be a fake out. And so tomorrow, if we get another green day, this blue line will then become a positive MACD, and that would be the beginning of an uptrend. And so that would play very nicely into this setup right now that we have. So we've officially broken out of a multi-year downtrend line. We have broken past a short-term pennant. We have also now broken above our 50-day SMA. Our MACD is crossing to the positive side, and our accumulation continues to go up. And so this is not financial advice at all, because I'm not a financial advisor. I'm actually Dummy Boy. So if you do listen to me, you may lose 110% of your investment. But if I'm looking at IGEN right now, I'm currently still down on IGEN. You guys know this is my biggest position. I'm still down around 15% on this investment, and I could not be more excited about this outlook. So the technicals alone look absolutely bullish, but is there anything else that I can take from what we have seen the past couple days that will make me even more bullish here on IGEN? And let's see. So the first thing we're going to talk about is that IGEN's Family Shield, which is a direct-to-consumer brand, is now available on Amazon.com. So Family Shield is one of the umbrellas that IGEN has, aside from their GPS Medallion Pro, aside from their CU Track, aside from their Nimbo tracking. And so this may not be huge, but to be able to buy a product on Amazon is very crucial because of how easy it is. And so if you are a consumer and you're interested in this product, it is very easy for you to buy this because you're probably already familiar with how Amazon works. You've probably ordered stuff from Amazon in the past. And so now to have our product on probably the best site that you can possibly get it on is pretty big in my opinion, and the news just gets a little bit better. So this was just very nice news, very company specific specific news. We're starting to get our product out there. This is great stuff to see. Post-pandemic trends are starting to look very nice for this company, but we're not done yet. And the non-company specific news that gets me excited about IGEN is the fact that today the Senate passed the $1 trillion infrastructure bill. And so the legislation would be the largest infusion of federal investment into infrastructure projects in more than a decade. And so why is this so massive for IGEN? So IGEN is patent approved. They're focusing on safety. They're focusing on collecting data on driver habits that can then be used either for a source of information or just a happier and safer environment for children, employers, employees, and just humans in general. This could be paid for by the government. And if you could get a deal where a company is using government funding to pay for your product, then the product itself should have absolutely no risk to it, because then you're actually getting money for free. The company's using your product, they like it. The government's actually the one paying for it, but they're getting subsidized to use it. So that becomes a very nice ecosystem for IGEN. And so this bill is actually going to be massive. It's going to be interesting to see how this one actually plays out in the long term, but there should be very great short-term news, and there should be a catalyst to help now break IGEN out from the current setup that it's already in. And so if you're looking for a stock right now that has the potential to make you tons of money, and also on a very technical level is at a breaking point level, then you should be looking at IGEN. I've already mentioned this before. I got in a tad bit early on this one. I thought we were making a cup and handle, but we did not. And however, I've been averaging down ever since that day. And now here we are looking at the reversal point, and I'm very excited to see where this one goes. I have my target levels for this stock, and so I'm going to stick to those, and I'm sticking to this investment. I'm very excited to see where this one goes. Great day today. There you guys have it. If you guys enjoyed this update on IGEN stock, don't forget to like. We are on the road to 10K subs, so if you made it to this point, feel free to hit that subscription button. This is Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy, and I'll see you guys in the next one.